Good afternoon from CFT. Last week we were trading up here 23,000 or so. We were looking for a pullback down to around 21,700 for a buy. We did get that. We then ultimately turned higher, went to new highs for this move. We did take profits on some Alts and Ethereum, 20% plus. So we are 70% in cash, looking for some backing and filling here, but still ultimately higher. US stocks, we talked about a pullback early in the week. We did get that down to the 294 level. Then quickly back to new highs. Once again, we look for some backing and filling, but we think we still have higher to go here in the near term. Dollar, we're looking for a top. We had a little bit of weakness. We did have this sideways consolidation, which looks lower. Our indicators are oversold, so we're looking for a bounce here, but we think the dollar is topping. Precious metals, we're calling for a low down here for a ride back up to 130. We had a little bit of rally off the lows for the week. We look for higher. Thank you.